morning, science learners! Welcome to another science learning episode for Quarter 4, Week 1. For today's video lesson, we will discuss about soil, its types, and characteristics. This video lesson will help you understand more about the types and physical characteristics of the soil. You will also learn how it is formed. At the end of this video, you are expected to describe the different types of soil based on their characteristics. Compare and the characteristics of the different types of soil as to their particle, size, texture, color, and water absorbability. But before we begin, please be ready with your science notebook, ball pen, and take note of the important concepts of our today's lesson. Are you all ready? Great! Class, do you know what soil is? How soil is formed? Can you describe the physical appearance of the soil in your garden? What about the soil in your school? The soil in the beach? How does soil differ from each other? Soil is very important natural resource on Earth, made up of tiny particles of rocks and decayed plants and animals. Making soil takes a long time, often 1,000 years or more. When surface rocks break down, they mix with decaying organic material, such as plants and animals. When this organic material decomposes, nutrients are returned to the earth, providing food for plants. Soil are shaped by the interaction of 5 major factors: time, environment, parent material, topography, and organisms. The relative importance of each factor varies by location, but the sum of all 5 factors usually determines the type of soil that develops in any given location. Soil occupies the majority of the Earth's ground surface. Plants, animals, houses, and other species can all be found in the soil. We live on the ground, which benefits us in a variety of ways. The physical characteristics of various types of soil vary. The color, texture, odor, and water holding capacity vary by soil type. Some soils are ideal for growing plants, while others are not. Scientists who research soil are known as geologists. There are 3 main types of soil, namely clay, loam, and let us learn more about the 3 types of soil by performing this activity. The title of the activity is My Sand. For this activity, you will need the following: 2 sardine cans of sand, 2 sardine cans of garden soil, 2 glasses with equal amount of water, same type of glass. Direction: observe very well the appearance of sand and the garden soil. some sand in your palm and rub it between your two palms. Do the same to the garden soil. Number 3, place one sardine tin of sand on your left palm. Slowly pour water from glass 1. Stop when water starts to fall from your palm. Number 4, repeat the same procedure, but this time using garden soil. Use the water in glass 2. Number 5, compare which glass has the most amount of water left. Here are the guide questions. In which type of soil water can flow easily? Number 2, which type of soil can hold most amount of water? Last, let us take a look at the pictures of soil. Observe, how does the 3 types of soil differ from each other based on their physical appearance, such as the color, the texture, the particles, the ability to absorb water. The first picture, this is a clay soil. Clay soil are tightly packed together with very little or no air space. This soil has very good water storage qualities and making hard for moisture and air to penetrate into it. It is very sticky when wet, but smooth when dried. Clay is the densest and the heaviest type of soil, which do not drain well or provide space for plant roots to flourish. Clay soil can be used in making pots, bricks, and this one is a sandy soil. The sandy soil consists of small particles of weathered rock. It is one of the poorest type of soil for growing plants because it has very low nutrients and poor in holding water, which makes it hard for the plant's roots to absorb water. This type of soil is very good for the drainage system. Sand soil is usually formed by the breakdown or fragmentation of rocks like granite, limestone, and rocks. And the last one, this is loam soil. Loam soil has the ability to retain moisture and nutrients. Hence, it is more suitable for farming. This soil is also referred to as an agricultural soil, as it includes an equilibrium of all 3 types of soil materials, being sandy, clay, and silt, and it also happens to have humus. Humus comes from decaying plants and animals. It keeps the soil soft and loose. Humus also provides the nutrients used by plants. Apart from this, it also has higher calcium and pH level because of its inorganic origin. Now class, look at the table. What can you say with the information given? Our soil really have different characteristics? As you can see on the table, the different types of soil has their own characteristics, meaning they have their own ability to sustain the life of living things. They have different characteristics in terms of color, sizes, textures, particles, and water absorbability. Let us learn more about soil and how each characteristic compared from each other by performing this activity. Direction. Classify the following characteristics into 3 types of soil. Write only the letter in the box. Next activity. Direction. Complete the concept of the lesson in the graphic organizer. Another activity. Look for the words inside the box and circle each word that you will find. Note, the words are written vertically, horizontally, or diagonally.